Hi and welcome to the Quiz Geeks website.
You are going to love this video, so be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and consider subscribing to the channel so we can let you know when new videos are published.
Hi everyone, this video is about how you can create a free avatar video. What you are seeing is a free avatar video being used as a welcome video for a website. This is only one of many ways that a free avatar video can help your website or channel. The free software is from VEED, which is Vade.io, and not only is it free, you are going to love that the software does all the work. That means that no technical knowledge or skill is needed, so even if you are a complete beginner, you can easily create your own avatar video. In addition to being easy, it is also fast. Your first step is to go to the VEED.io website, which is free to join. Once you join Vade, go to your dashboard, which will look like what you see here. Next, click on Create AI Avatar Video. Once you choose the avatar that you want, type in your script and create. Vade will do the rest. If you need to, you can edit your video. When you are happy with your free avatar video, click Done. Your video will render, then you can click Download. There is one more detail that you need to be aware of. Your video will have a watermark at the top right. According to Mr. P's research and experience, the watermark is not a problem. However, you use your VEED's free avatar video, I believe you will find that it is a perfect fit.
Hi and welcome to the Quiz Geeks website. You will love our site if you love fun quizzes, riddles, logic problems, and brain teasers. You'll also find links above.
I am sure you will agree that it is hard to believe that the video is not real.
If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and consider joining the channel so that we can let you know when new videos are uploaded. Thank you for watching, and much success!